Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name remains Gregory Adedayo Akiloton. This is Gregory Multimedia Studio. Welcome again. Today I have beautiful people with me in the studio. I have my makeup artist Margaret and my wonderful model Blessing. You can see her, she's looking very kinky. And so today we want to do some beauty shots and we'll be trying some dramatic lighting. Just want to do something different from normal. Just want to do something that we think should entice you a bit. So you follow us as we try and do the setup now. We're going to rearrange this whole setup now because I want a dark background with some spotlights on the background and then and the highlights falling on the face and stuff like that. So we are going to do some setups now while you see the setup. So right now, we are going to take down the brown background that we have on our hanger before, and then after that, we are going to clamp down the rectangular softbox that we have attached to our Goddess lights. This is a version of Goddess lights SK300 to be precise, and we are going to attach the bow end that came with it. And then after that, we're going to put it on the stand. After putting it on the stand, we will attach to the cover a turban. I use this turban as my diffuser. It gives me some sort of very soft light. I use it instead of the nylon gel that is common to most of us to use. I use this because it gives me very soft diffusion. And then we move the light close to the background as you're seeing it. Also, we want to use it as a spotlight, so we won't move it very close to the background so that the circumference the light will be covering will be very small. Then we're going to set up our reflector. I'm going to use those two as support for my reflector. This is a version of one of my DIY reflectors. I used cardboard and aluminum foil to make this some couple of years ago, and it gives me very good reflection. And I'm going to put a seat in front of that for my model to sit. She's actually going to sit into the reflector so that the reflector can fall on her house and then we can reflect light under her chin. To invite my model in now, and she's going to sit down very close to the reflector as you're seeing it. So, and then the right light, and the light is going to be right above her. In front of her. So I put it directly in front of her and then shield it to the light down like that so that my light will not be falling on the background because I actually want a very dark background. I don't want the light to fall on the background, so I'm putting it down and like that. And now another problem I'm going to encounter is because I'm putting the lights right in front of her, the pull of the light is coming in view into the camera, so I'm going to move it close to me. I'm going to move it so that we can be on the same level. With that, she won't be the pole won't be in my view any longer. And now we're ready for the shots. And talking about my camera settings, I used 1/25 of a second for shutter speed, and my f-stop was at f8, and my ISO was 125. And these are some of the images that we are able to make directly from the camera. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question or comments, please put them in the comment section below, and most importantly, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe. It is very, very important. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can always get notification for our new videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.